push, brakes off, undercarriage fixed. Next is auto, fuel on the fullest, instruments are green, switches on, fuel pump on.
Traffic, Archfield, function 4, Cessna 414, taxiing from the eastern parking to Bravo 1, runway 28, right, holding point, Archfield traffic.
We'll make this on a 4 stop when you land.
Okay.
Alright, simulate.
Okay, glide, engine failure, aim for runway.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that note up.
Yep, 70 knots.
Archfield traffic, swing 84, 89, turning left base, runway 28, right, full stop, Archfield. There you go, much better.
70 knots. Yep,
And take some flap.
70 knots. Flap,
Go all the way.
full flap. Oh, that flap is making good point in those low, isn't it?
Yep, that's what you want, right?
Yeah, but the speed goes up. I have to maintain that 70 knots, but
You're doing better than you did last time.
yeah,
Last time you were like 80 something.
yeah.
Oh, remember, keep your feet coordinate.
Archfield traffic, up function 4, lines up runway 28, right, Archfield traffic.
A bit of that rudder.
Yep. Alright. Probably a flare too high, was it?
No, it's okay, just hop off here.
That's because it's, yeah, as you said before, the steeper it is, the harder to judge your flare.
Yeah. Archfield traffic, 84, 89, clear of 28 right, Archfield.
Archfield, up function 4, rolls runway 28, right.
Okay, so fuel pump off, flaps up, trim for takeoff, ATC coming on.
Yeah, you still have 6 minutes.
Another 6. Alright, so, and transponder on standby, and then we do our check. After landing check. Flaps up. Electric fuel pump off. Landing lights off.
Oh, you
Strobe
turned
light.
it on
Oh,
accidentally.
that's fuel pump off. Off. Transponder on standby. Trim for takeoff. Radio. After traffic. Sling 8489. What is it? Bravo 4. Taxiing Bravo 01 to the southern apron. After traffic, Sling 8489, Bravo 4, taxiing Bravo 201 to the southern apron. Archfield.